The first phase of voting in 2026 is currently underway. It is now 4 pm. At this moment, 80% of votes have been cast. A total of 152 seats across 16 districts are being voted on. It's expected that around 85% to 90% voting will be recorded in some districts, which would be a record. What does this indicate? Is the dormant volcano of protest in people's mind coming alive? I am mentioning the districts. Murshidabad, 67% Muslim, seats 22. Here, the Muslim vote bank is completely fragmented. Last time, it was one sided towards TMC. But that is not happening this time. Previously, out of 22 seats, TMC got 20 and BJP got 2. This time, it will not be favorable for TMC. BJP is definitely getting 4 seats. The third front is capturing 5 seats. TMC may get a maximum of 13, though this number may decrease. Malda, seats 12. Muslim minority 51%. The current picture is not favorable for TMC. The rise of Congress is noticeable. MIM has also emerged here. BJP is definitely getting 6 seats. Congress will get 4. TMC will not get more than 2, possibly even less. Uttar Dinajpur, Muslim minority 50%, seats 9. Congress is fighting under strong leadership. BJP is definitely getting 4 seats. The third front will get 2. TMC is getting 3. Birbhum, Muslim minority 30%. Total seats 11. Based on voting trends, BJP is getting 5 and third front 1 and TMC not more than 6. Coach Bihar, total seats 9. Muslim minority 25%. In areas like Sitai, Sitalkuchi and Dinhata, Muslims are over 35%. Here Hindus have voted in unity and raised slogans against Udayan Guho. BJP is definitely getting 7 seats and TMC 2. Dakshin Dinajpur, Muslim minority 24%, seats 6. Strong Hindu voter turnout. BJP is getting 4 seats, TMC 2. Purba Medinipur, minority vote 14%, seats 16. Around 90% voting has taken place. BJP is getting 15 seats, TMC 1. Paschim Bardhaman, minority 13%, seats 9. BJP is definitely getting 6 seats and TMC 3. Jalpaiguri, 12% Muslim, close to 90% polling. Over 80% Hindu voting, seats 7. All 7 are going to BJP. Paschim Medinipur, Muslim minority 11%, 88% voting. Seats 14. BJP is getting 9, TMC 5. Alipurduar, Muslim minority 9%, seats 5. Strong Hindu turnout above 85%, BJP is getting all 5, TMC 0. Bankura, 8% Muslim, seats 12. Visible Hindu participation, BJP 11, TMC 1. Purulia, 7% Muslim, seats 9. Hindu unity visible, BJP 8, TMC 1. Darjeeling, minority 6%, seats 5. All 5 go to BJP. Jhargram, seats 4, only 2% Muslim, BJP 3, TMC 1. Kalimpong, seats 1, BJP gets 1. So, out of 152 seats, BJP will definitely get 100 seats. This is the challenge thrown by Bashi Roy of Shaktinagar. Even before the first phase voting ends, he has made this claim. The third front will get 12 to 15 seats and TMC will get a maximum of 40 or less. Today's first phase voting will definitely influence the remaining 142 seats across 7 districts. Hindus have come forward considering voting as a democratic right and festival. This will impact the second phase as well. Migrant workers have participated strongly in the first phase and will do so again in the second phase. Then they will vote in large numbers and say, "All the things you say are false. We are doing well outside. We are eating fish and meat." Speaking Bengali. We left because we didn't get jobs here. We are thousands of migrant workers. Shubhanandan. Regards, Bashi Roy.